Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is very important. Please read the question carefully. Find the LCM and HCF of fractions. Normally, everybody do finding the LCM and HCF of natural numbers, integral values. But fractions is very important. Without taking much time, I am going to tell you one formula which will be used specifically. For finding the LCM of fractions, what we need to do, we need to find LCM of numerators, all the numerators whatever we have, and divide it by HCF of denominators. See, firstly I am focusing on LCM, so this is the formula. Let's suppose first question we are going to do. For the first question, numerators are 2 and 4. Numerators are 2 and 4. So what we need to do, write the LCM of numerator means I need to write LCM of 2 and 4. And HCF of denominator means I need to write HCF of 3 and 7. Now see, LCM of 2 and 4 means least common multiple, least number which comes in the table of 2 and 4 both, and that number is 4. So LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, that is why I am writing 4 in the numerator. HCF is the highest common factor of 3 and 7. 3 and 7 both are primes, they are not divisible by any common number other than 1. So HCF is 1 only. That means LCM of these two fractions, for the first part, your final answer is 4. I hope concept is clear. This was for LCM, and now let me write the question for, do the same thing for HCF. Let us see what we need to do. For HCF, we will write HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. Very easy way to remember is, if you are finding HCF, then HCF will be at the top, denominator will be LCM, reverse happens. So HCF of numerator means HCF of 2 and 4, and LCM of denominator means LCM of which two values, 3 and 7. So 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So highest common factor of 2 and 4 is 2. LCM of 3 and 7, both are primes. In that case, we just multiply them. LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So HCF of first part is 2 upon 21. I have done first question, both parts, HCF and LCM both. Second question is still there. You can also try out second question. I will again write the formula, because more you write, more you remember. But please do your question and let us see your answer is correct or not. 3 over 4 and 6 over 7. If you want to find HCF, what we need to do? We need to find HCF of numerators. Numerators are 3 and 6 divided by LCM of 4 and 7. Chaliye, let us do. What is the HCF of 3 and 6? Highest common factor of 3 and 6 is 3. LCM of 4 and 7, which is 28. That means HCF of second question is 3 over 28. Okay, fine. Let us do LCM. LCM means find LCM of numerator. Numerator is 3 and 6 to be divided by HCF of denominator, which is 4 and 7. Now, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? Least common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6 only, and HCF of 4 and 7 is 1. So your final answer would be 6. That means LCM of second question is 6. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching the video.